Hey guys, Bill Stone here with a household tip regarding your wood burning stove. Oftentimes the glass window on the door gets all kinds of soot on it and gets all dirty and you really can't see through it. And they do have products such as this one here to clean that, but these products contain a lot of harmful chemicals, and if you read the label on the back, they talk about don't get it in your eyes, don't get it on your skin because it could burn your skin. So I learned there's another way to clean the door safely. So as you can see here, this is the soot that kind of builds up on the glass and doesn't really allow you to see through into the fireplace too well. Yeah, you got a lot of reflection here, but you get the general idea. So the safe, simple way is to take a damp cloth and, believe it or not, dip it into the ashes inside the fireplace. Get some ash on here and then start rubbing it onto the soot on the glass. And it basically safely takes it right off. So I'm going to work this for a little bit, and occasionally I'll re-dip it into the soot and in the ash in the fireplace, and then I'm going to finish with a clean cloth and I'll show you how it looks. So basically the ash from the fireplace works sort of like a gentle abrasive scrubbing agent, and I basically rubbed it all over where the soot was. And now I got a clean section of my rag that's a little damp, and now I'm wiping it all off. And it takes it right off. Good as new. So give that a try and stop using these harmful chemicals to clean. So last up, I'll just finish with a dry little piece of a paper towel, kind of buff it like that, and presto, sparkly clean.